Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is 100-day challenge on MATLAB Loop. So the task for today is we are just going to create a hollow diamond. Okay, so for creating hollow diamond, I'm just going to separate the process into three. First, we are going to just create this part, that is upper part of this hollow diamond. Okay, tomorrow we'll see how to create lower part of this hollow diamond. Okay, on the third day I'll be joining both these two. I'll be showing you how to join this both the part. Okay, so let us go step by step. Okay, so the task for today is we are just going to create the upper right angle triangle by joining two upper right angle triangle. Okay, that is the upper part of the hollow diamond. Okay, now I'm just going to show you the code. So this is the code. Okay, so the function name is upper right angle triangle, and as like other program I just got the number of rows as the user input. So once I got the user input, I just go inside and create the first part of the triangle, that is this first half will be done by the first for loop. Okay, so this first part. Okay, then first part means like line by line actually. Okay, so line by line, the first line is created. Okay, and the second line is created. So here you have to note the gap between this two right angle triangle. Okay, so that's what you have to see very carefully here. Okay, so the gap for the two triangle is given by this loop. Okay, so this part of the code will do this half of the triangle. Okay, that is this line, this thing. Okay, then the gap is created by this part of the for loop, and the rest of the code, rest of the stars was created by like this part of the triangle is created, that is this right hand side part of the triangle is created by this for loop. Okay, so in a one go it just print the left side, then gives the gap, and then prints the right side. Okay, once this is done, then it comes to the second line, then prints the left half, then gives the gap and prints the right half. Okay, to be noted, in the first line you will not have any gap. Okay, since k is equal to 0, you will not find any gap. See here, you will not find any gap throughout. You will have stars across the line. Okay, and as it comes down, it just the k is incremented to 2. Okay, and again 4. Okay, and again 5. So just the gap is incremented by 2. Here 2, it is 4, then 6, then 8 and 10, and keeps on going till the number of rows. Okay, so that's all for this program. Let us go and see how to run this. I'm just giving 7. Okay, the size become a little bit smaller, and you can just play around with the size. Let me just show you some bigger size like 15. Okay, and it's up to you, like you can play around with the size. Okay, so that's all for this particular part of code. I will meet you in the next like tomorrow's code with more interesting thing. Till then, take care. Bye bye.